So, sorry, fumble to karunga obviously. So, hello everyone, my name is Akash Sadev and I am working on something. And today's date is 26th December 2024 and it's live date. ठीक है, मैंने search किया properly so that मैं गलत. Okay, I will post this video on my own channel and I'm about to manifest something that might become real, because if we say something to our subconscious mind and then our conscious mind will start working on that part. Yes, subconscious mind and conscious mind will work together. Okay, and we have 95% of subconscious mind and 5% is our conscious mind. So I want to manifest something that I'm working on. First of all, I'm about to learn something. Like, I was good in Flutter, I was good in Dart. Okay, I'm posting it on my travel channel, but I want to post it on one channel. I have around 2-3 channels and I'm not working on any of the channel right now. I started working and छोड़ दिया, फिर work किया, फिर छोड़ दिया. But that is not how things work, right? You need to be consistent, dedicated and motivated enough to do something. Okay, so अब ये motivation कहाँ से आई? On October 1st, on this year, sorry, on October 1st 2024, I started working on my own fitness by dedication. Okay, with dedication, sorry. So उस डेडिकेशन के साथ मैंने वर्क किया 1 अक्टूबर से लेके आज टिल डेट 26 दिसंबर है. इट्स अराउंड 86 days. Okay, I think 5 days are left for my 85 days. Okay, no, 86 and 5 is 91. It's around 87 days approximately. Okay, so 87 days हो गया and I'm still consistent enough to be in my own shape. Okay, I'm working out in. Okay, cool. So इतना काम तो किया है मैंने कि मैं अपने फिटनेस को लेके तो मैं स्ट्रॉन्ग हो चुका हूँ. तो नाउ आई नीड टू वर्क ऑन माई वेल्थ. आई एम फोकस्ड, आई एम फुल्ली फोकस्ड ऑन माई हेल्थ पार्ट. नाउ आई वॉन्ट टू फोकस ऑन द वेल्थ पार्ट, क्योंकि मैं बहुत चीज़ शुरू करता था. आई स्टार्टेड स्केचिंग, आई स्टार्टेड लर्निंग गिटार, आई स्टार्टेड लर्निंग डांसिंग, आई स्टार्टेड लर्निंग सो एंड सो थिंग्स. बट ऐसा नहीं है मैंने सीखा नहीं. आई लर्न अ लॉट. छोड़ा क्यों? देर माइट बी अ थिंक दैट आई माइट बी इंटरेस्टेड इन समथिंग एल्स. देखो, यू नेवर नो इन विच पार्ट यू आर गुड इन जब तक तुम शुरू नहीं करोगे. बट वन थिंग आई ऑलवेज नो दैट I love traveling. Okay, I know I haven't traveled a lot, I haven't traveled so many places, but I have traveled to one place a lot of times, and that is also something that I love. So that doesn't mean that I doesn't love traveling. So I wanted to start something. I wanted to build a travel app that I'm working on and that I started a year back. And the reason why I stopped the development of the application is because I was working alone, and you cannot build a kingdom alone, right? You need people. You need to be a leader, and you need to have a team to build something. Okay, so that's why I stopped. I have my own person. I have my best friend. I have a lot of best friends. People have one, I have a lot. I can clearly say, I don't know तुम्हें accept करना है कि नहीं, but I have a lot of best friends. Okay, so one of my best friend is a backend developer and I'm a front-end developer, and I have started working on the application. And the reason why I've stopped, because that the person, the best friend, he doesn't have much time to allot in. Basically he doesn't have much time, ठीक है, जो वो अपना स्पेयर कर पाए मेरे लिए. तो obviously I cannot force him. That's not his idea, and it's not about the idea. It's about कि भाई जब वो फ्री हो तभी कर पाएगा, and मैं भी फोर्स नहीं करूँगा. He's my best friend, man. Cool. So right, but now he like pushes me कि bro, let's start working. बिकॉज मैं रुक गया था. मेरे पास आइडियाज़ थे बट मैं कर नहीं पा रहा था. इवन बहुत लोगों ने मुझे बोला कि दिस ऐप विल नॉट वर्क, बट बहुत लोगों ने ये भी बोला दिस ऐप विल वर्क. तो आई डोंट नो इफ दिस ऐप विल वर्क और दिस ऐप विल नॉट वर्क, और वो तभी पता लगेगा जब वो ऐप लॉन्च होगा. ठीक है. सो फर्स्ट थिंग आई वॉन्टेड टू से, आई वॉन्टेड टू लॉन्च दिस एप्लीकेशन ऑन मिड मार्च. ठीक है, बाय मिड मार्च. लाइक फर्स्ट वर्जन आई वॉन्टेड टू लॉन्च इट बाय मिड मार्च. सो इट्स 26 दिसंबर एंड इट्स लाइक 2-2.5 महीने के अराउंड मैं उस ऐप को लॉन्च करना चाहूँगा. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट थिंग तो ये है. बट ये वीडियो आपको 1 साल बाद ही दिखेगी. सो लाइक 26 दिसंबर अभी देख रहे हो, तो मे बी ऐसा हो कि उस ऐप के लॉन्च के बाद आई विल हैव लाइक अराउंड 10,000 और 20,000 डाउनलोड्स बाय अ ईयर. इतना एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा हूँ. राइट नाउ आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग ओनली 20,000 डाउनलोड्स. बाकी तो भाई भगवान की इच्छा. एंड सेकेंड थिंग आई वॉन्टेड टू स्टार्ट इज लर्निंग बॉक्सिंग. Yes, if I'm eager to learn even like if I'm totally into fitness, तो obviously मुझे उसको भी करना चाहिए. And by the way, I have my own Skyark channel, जिसको मैं उसको ही फोर्स करूँगा. फोर्स नहीं करूँगा, उसको मैं पुश करूँगा. बिकॉज राइट नाउ मैंने वीडियोज़ डालना छोड़ दिया था बट एक्सरसाइज नहीं छोड़ी. तो दैट्स हाउ आई एम मोटिवेटेड इनफ टू, दैट्स वेयर आई एम मोटिवेटेड. ओके, आई एम डेडिकेटेड एंड कंसिस्टेंट इनफ टू डू माई वर्कआउट डेली, बट आई एम नॉट पोस्टिंग. इट्स नॉट अबाउट लाइक आई वांटेड टू पोस्ट इट और आई डोंट वांट टू पोस्ट, बट आई डू वांट टू पोस्ट. I do want to see people that I am motivated enough to do something, and that will also motivate me to work on my own workout, right? So these are the few things that I wanted to say. And the third things that I wanted to start is like start doing something that will like you know one day. Third thing I don't want to expose, but you will know one day. So maybe एक साल के अंदर you will know. ठीक है, मैं cater कर दूँगा, पता लग जाएगा, you will know. And the fourth thing that I wanted to say is I wanted to earn like not a big amount. It's not a big of a deal for me. Like I have learned a lot in my past 4 to 5 years. Like people say like आप 5 सालों बाद कहाँ देखना चाहते हैं अपने आप को. मैं जहाँ देखना चाहता था I have reached. मैं जो खरीदना चाहता था I have purchased till now. That was my dream till like from 5 years, like after completing my graduation, like until now. Okay, so that's enough for me and I'm happy with that. Okay, बट नाउ ऑब्वियसली लाइक अगर भाई तुम डेयरी मिल्क खा रहे हो, तुम्हें बॉर्न मिल्क खानी है, तुम्हें फरेरो रोशर खानी है, मे बी आई एम नॉट प्रोनाउंसिंग इट राइट और वट एवर इट इज़, बट यू नीड टू वर्क हार्ड फॉर दैट. You wanted to purchase a guitar, you need to work hard for that. You wanted to purchase a something like PS5 something like that, you need to work hard for that. So that's the thing for me. भाई तुम्हें जो चीज़ खरीदनी है तुम्हें हार्ड वर्क करना ही पड़ेगा. You need to be a hard worker. You are a good hard worker, that's okay. You are a good smart worker, that's okay. But one thing that's also is important is a good networker. You cannot earn a lot if you don't have a good network in the market. Yes, if you're working as a freelancer, I have worked as a freelancer, I have worked in a job as well. But the one thing I learned is if you have not a good network with you, then you will not achieve anything in your life. Okay, you need to have a good network because you will not get enough client base. Okay, so that's few things that you need. You are a good smart worker, you are a good hard worker, but you need to be a good networker. That's I learned it from few people. Okay, I'm not gonna say कि मुझे एकदम से पता है, मैं खुद से बोल रहा हूँ. No, I have learned it from the people that I have been with. Okay, so this video will be upload like sorry, I will upload this video in my own traveling channel. Okay, that was my personal channel first, but I changed it to my traveling channel. I haven't posted enough reels on that channel, but I wanted to post it from 1st January, like the old videos that I have with me, so that this will make good impact on my channel. I'm thinking of. बाकी तो रब रखा. Let's see what will be in my way, what will come, what are the hurdles that I'm gonna face. I have already faced a lot of hurdles. Right now I'm totally broke as fuck. Even people are thinking that I have few things with me. Like, see, let me show you. I have the things that I have with me. I have earned it from my hard money. I'm gonna show you like from the beginning that the day I first started doing anything. So this used to be my first laptop. Okay, so this is the person जिसने मेरी जर्नी को बढ़ाया since 5 years, since 2020 or 2019, whatever I say. Okay, so this person has helped me a lot. Yes, this is a person for me. This electronic device is a person for me. And भाई इसको मैं कभी नहीं जाने दूंगा अपने हाथ से. Whatever I do, इसको नहीं जाने दे सकता मैं, because I have emotions. I have attached emotion with this person. भाई बीच में एक बार स्क्रीन टूट गई थी इसकी, मैं उसी दिन इसकी स्क्रीन ठीक करा के आया था, because I have attached to it. Okay, फिर I purchased this mouse, this tab, and then I bought this a year back. Yes, this is M2 Pro. Yes, I'm showing my things that I have with me. This is a speaker I purchased, this is a table I purchased, this another table, this is the first table, this is the second table, and this is the desktop that I purchased, a monitor, not a desktop, sorry, monitor. And this is the PS5 that I purchased this year on 26th April, as far as I remember the date, 26th April 2024. I know it's a mess here right now, but these are the few things that I purchased with my own hard-earned money, and that's literally toughest work that I have done. बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ती है भाई. I don't care about my grammatical mistakes that I'm doing right now, but I just wanted to share my emotions to you guys. And I know ये वीडियो एक साल बाद तुम देख रहे हो जाकर. It's 26 January, 26 December 2024. एंड ये वीडियो मैं पोस्ट कर दूँगा अपने चैनल पे, एंड आई विल पोस्टिंग दिस वीडियो एंड ऑन आई नो, मैं पता नहीं ये चीज़ें क्यों बोल रहा हूँ, बट ये वीडियो तुम्हें आज दिखेगी. इट्स 26 जनवरी, सॉरी बट आई डोंट नो व्हाई आई एम सेइंग 26 जनवरी. एंड ये वीडियो आपको 26 दिसंबर 2025 को दिखेगी, जब मैं कुछ अचीव कर चुका हूँ. एंड दैट द थिंग्स आई सेड, आई वांटेड टू ग्रो माय ओन tech channel. I wanted to grow my own travel channel. I wanted to build one application. Yes, one name, a lot of application, but the one application that has a dream application for me, I wanted to build that first. I know that I have seen the same application in the market, but I wanted to improve that. Okay, I have not the similar one, but there are a few applications that are similar to mine, but not totally similar. There are things that I am doing. I wanted to add things, spice things up in my application, but I will try my best कि मैं उस एप्लीकेशन को तुम सब तक पहुंचा पाऊँ. ओके, सो दिस 26 January 26 sorry this is 26 December 2024 and you will see this video on 26 December 2025 एंड मे बी शायद मैं बहुत कुछ अचीव कर पाऊँ. मेरे गोल्स भी हैं कुछ सारे, बहुत सारे. आई वांटेड टू अचीव दैट. आई वांटेड टू बी अ गुड सेल्फ डिफेंस बॉक्सर, MMA फाइटर, not that much good fighter. I wanted to learn, ठीक है. I wanted to learn swimming. I wanted to put myself in again in dancing, sketching. I know there's a lot of things that I wanted to put myself, but यार तुम अचीव कर सकते हो सब कुछ, और तुम सब कुछ कर सकते हो. एक्चुअल में बोल रहा हूँ, यू कैन लर्न. और जब तक तुम सब कुछ सीखोगे नहीं, तब तक तुम्हें पता कैसे चलेगा तुम किस में अच्छे हो सकते हो. सो ट्राई एवरीथिंग. एंड थैंक यू सो मच गाइस फॉर वॉचिंग टिल द एंड. एंड आई नो ये वीडियो तुम्हें 1 साल बाद देख रही है, मैंने कुछ ऐसा पोस्ट भी नहीं किया है, बट आई हैव मैनिफेस्टेड समथिंग